Hi guys, today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I did this nighttime, evening, date night glam look that I usually do every time I'm going out, especially in the evening. So if you like this look, keep on watching.
Here we go now. 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 Here we go now.
Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I did do my eyebrows off camera beforehand because eyebrows are still a bit of a struggle for me and they never come out the same. But for the eyebrows, I used the Colourpop pomade. I used the Colourpop pomade in the color black and brown. So I did that with my eyebrows, and then I used a little bit of the LA Girl Pro concealer underneath my eyebrows, and that's what I did for my eyebrows. So that's what I did, that's what I used for my eyebrows. And then for the foundation, of course, I used the Fenty for the primer. In the beginning, I used this MAC Prep and Prime all over my face. I do feel like this helps moisturize my face a little bit because I do have some dry spots in my T-zone. And then of course the setting spray is also from MAC. For the lipstick, I used my favorite, which is the Ruby Woo by MAC. It is a matte lipstick, so I usually like to use this lipstick when I go out to eat, like date nights, or if I was going to a wedding or something like that, because this lipstick actually really stays on for a long time. I hardly ever have to reapply it, so that's what I love about this lipstick. But overall, this is the look that I use when I'm doing like nighttime glam. So if you like this look, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye.